Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to renovate a bathroom? Whether you're dreaming of a spa-like retreat or simply updating a dated space, the price tag can vary widely. Today, I'll break down the cost of a modern bathroom renovation from a general contractor's perspective. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to budget efficiently. Let me break down the key cost components. Number 1, demo and prep work. Number 2, plumbing and electrical. Number 3, fixtures and finishes. Number 4, labor cost. Number 5, permits and unforeseen expenses. Starting with demolition and prep work, this typically costs between $1,500 and $3,500. Depending on the space and the size of the bathroom, plus the complexity of the job can vary. Removing old tiles, fixtures, and sometimes even drywall takes time and care to ensure the space is ready for the next phase. Keep in mind, unforeseen issues like mold or water damage can add to the cost. Next, the plumbing and electrical. Moving plumbing lines or adding new fixtures can cost anywhere between $1,500 to $5,000. If you're installing a walk-in shower, soaking tub, or dual vanities, expect those costs to increase. Electrical upgrades like adding recessed lighting, GFCI outlets, or heated floors if you're up north will range from $1,000 to $3,000. A modern bathroom often requires higher power capacity, which means you'll be upgrading your home's electrical panel. And in addition, that could be $1,500 to $3,000. Fixtures and finishes. This is where the fun and the spending really begins. High quality fixtures like vanities, sinks, and faucets, and toilets can range anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000, depending on your taste. For finishes like tiles, you'll find a wide range. Basic ceramic tiles between $4 and $8 a square foot. Mid-range porcelain or glass tiles, $9 to $25 a square foot. Premium options like marble can be anywhere from $25 to $50 a square foot. Remember, the larger your bathroom, the more intricate your design, the higher your material costs are going to be. Let's talk about labor. Labor often accounts for 40 to 60% of the total renovation cost. For modern bathroom, expect to pay $5,000 to $15,000 in labor, depending on the scope of the project and your location. Hiring skilled professionals ensures that the job is done correctly and up to code, which is crucial in spaces like bathrooms. Don't forget about permits, which can cost anywhere from $750 to $1,200, depending on your city or municipality. Unforeseen expenses like structural issues or upgrading ventilation can add anywhere to $500 to $5,000 to your total. These are surprises that no one loves, but they're essential to creating a safe and functional bathroom. So how much will a bathroom renovation cost? Here's a quick breakdown. A basic renovation, $10,000 to $15,000. These are your smaller, standard guest shower, guest bath style bathrooms. Now, a mid-range renovation can cost between $15,000 and $30,000. That's like an average master bathroom or a larger guest bathroom, depending on the size of the home. A high-end renovation can go from $30,000 to $50,000. These are your much larger bathrooms with bigger showers and multiple vanities. Now, when you want to get into wet rooms, steam showers, or spa amenities, we can get well over $100,000 for a bathroom. The final price decides on the choice of fixtures, finishes, and complexity of the design. I always build in a 10 to 15% contingency to the budget for unexpected expenses. Here's my advice. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Choose a contractor with experience in bathroom renovations. Don't cut corners on essentials like tile, cabinets, waterproofing, and ventilation. These items will protect your investment. A modern bathroom can transform your home and your daily routine. With the right planning, it's an investment that pays off in comfort and value. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more renovation tips. If you got questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.